Hey there. If you're watching this, you might be facing the annoying character AI chat error on your iPhone. Don't worry, we're here to help you fix it. First, let's understand what might be causing this error. It could be anything from poor internet to bugs in the app, or even an outdated version. Before diving into complex solutions, let's go through some basic troubleshooting steps you can take to resolve the error quickly. First things first, check your internet connection. A stable internet connection is crucial for the character AI to function correctly. Next, make sure you have the latest version of the character AI app installed. Open the App Store and check for updates. Another useful step is to clear the app cache. Let's walk through how to do that to remove any corrupted data. If that didn't work, consider uninstalling and reinstalling the character AI app for a fresh start. If you're still having trouble, try resetting your network settings. This can often fix connectivity issues. Finally, if none of these steps help, it's time to reach out to Character AI support for additional assistance. To sum it up, we've covered how to troubleshoot the Character AI chat error step by step. We hope you find these tips useful.